Artoonza.
All right, glamorous artists and future makeup superstars. Are you ready to get fancy without raiding your mom's makeup bag? She's been counting her lipsticks. Trust me. Today, we're drawing the most adorable mini makeup set, complete with a comb, lipstick, and eyeshadow with a secret heart hidden in the mirror. Because every great artist needs a little sparkle in their life, right? We're talking glitter that'll make you sneeze rainbows, paint droppers that are basically magic wands, and colors so bright they might need sunglasses. Grab your markers, paints, and that tiny vacuum because we're about to get messy and make something so pretty, even your grumpy older sibling might say, "Wow! Let's glam up this art party together!" Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Time to add some red magic because everything looks better in red. Except maybe broccoli. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. Now let's drop some sunshine yellow because our makeup needs to glow like a superstar or a really fancy banana. Story time while we color yellow. Once upon a time, a tiny yellow paint dropper dreamed of being a makeup artist. It squeezed onto our drawing and shouted, "I'm making art history." The lipstick said, "You're brighter than my future." And the heart mirror winked. They all lived happily ever after in our fabulous glittery makeup set.
So cute.
Look at our makeup set drawing coming to life with all these gorgeous colors. Purple time. This color is so royal, even the queen would be jealous of our eyeshadow. Purple time, royal artists. Smash that like button now. Legend says purple paint makes everything fancy. Our eyeshadow whispered, "I feel like royalty." The comb agreed. We're basically makeup royalty now. Even the glitter heart sparkled extra hard. Purple power. We're going eco-friendly with this color. Just kidding. We're just making pretty art. Color, color, color. Orange, you glad we're adding this color? Get it. I'll show myself out. This color is cooler than a penguin wearing sunglasses. Yes, I checked. And finally, the pinkest pink that ever pinked. Our makeup set is now officially too cute to handle. Time to frame it before it floats away on a cloud of fabulousness. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.